If, while driving, the engine overheating warning light turns on your car's dashboard, or the engine temperature gauge moves into the red zone, never ignore this warning. Ignoring engine overheating can cause the engine to seize and can result in heavy financial loss. The engine overheating warning light means that the engine temperature is rising above the normal operating temperature. The normal operating temperature of a car engine is around 90 to 100 degrees Celsius. When the cooling system does not work properly, heat inside the engine is not controlled, and the engine temperature starts increasing. When the engine temperature rises above the normal operating range, the engine overheating warning light turns on the dashboard so that the driver knows that the engine is overheating. What happens if you ignore engine overheating? If you ignore the overheating warning, the head gasket can fail. Engine oil can burn. Pistons and cylinders can get damaged. The engine can seize completely. You may face heavy repair costs. Remember, the engine overheating warning light is a warning, not a problem itself. If you take action on time, you can save your engine. But ignoring a small warning can lead to major damage and expensive repairs. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more useful updates. Thank you for watching.